story, the other big story is the weather, because it's still coming in parts of the valley, right?
It definitely is. This is kind of West and North Valley that's getting hit. I know the East Valley, you're like, where's our rain? Don't worry, it's coming. Hey, take a look. We just got some updated numbers right now of the 3-day rainfall total from this storm, and pretty much everywhere in the valley, well over an inch of rain, some places an inch and a half of rain. Now, if you can believe it, we're going to get up to another inch of rain on top of these totals by the time that we head into our Friday afternoon, because again, we're not done with the system quite yet. Fast-moving storm cells that have been moving through for the past hour, coming up from the Sun Lakes area, moving through central Phoenix, and then, as I mentioned, going into west and northern parts of the valley. A lot of this is now starting to kind of move out of the valley, but we're still seeing it right along the US 60, the 74, and up far north on the 17, heading towards Black Canyon City. And then along the I-10, we're seeing it pushing into the Tonopah area. But also, if you slide on down the 85 into Gila Bend, some really strong thunderstorms for you over the past hour. We've been seeing the flash flood warning that just went on. This is going to go until 1:30 in the morning for that area, due to the fact you've had that heavy rain, and we're starting to see a little bit of flooding in that area. And then that road that connects from Gila Bend to Maricopa, that is Highway 238. If you know it, you usually probably travel it to kind of cut through if you're headed to San Diego. That's actually shut down at this point, going to be shut down for a while. Law enforcement saying there's a lot of flooding on that roadway. So we zoom out a little bit more. This is a strong band of showers stretching from Gila Bend all the way up into Wickenburg. Again, all of this moving from south to the north, but it's still pushing east as well, because the storm system itself is pushing it to the east. So we're going to continue with this activity as we head through the rest of the night. Futurecast kind of illustrates that. From 10 o'clock to about midnight, we'll continue with this very active weather pattern. The East Valley finally getting a little bit of rain out of the system as it's pushing to the east. And then from midnight till 2 in the morning, we'll still continue with that active weather pattern. Kingman, Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, Winslow, down through Show Low, getting that rain as well. And notice as we head into those early morning hours, we're seeing a lot of that turning into snow. Snow levels at about 7,000 feet. Not a lot of snow expected. It's going to be more rain than anything else. Heading into the start of the day, though, for Friday, it's going to be another wet morning commute for us, then a little bit of some dry activity before some isolated showers throughout the rest of the day. Temperature-wise, 67 expected tomorrow, 72 on your Saturday. Nice and dry on your Sunday and your Monday. And then get ready. You got to have the umbrella once again. We've got another round of storms coming our way for Tuesday through next Thursday.